Hi viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we are on the website of millennialmoney.com, and on this website we are going to read the review of the app Branded Service, and let's see how much that person earned in 2.5 hours. Let's see. Branded Service is a legitimate service site that has been around for quite some time. Trustpilot has rated Branded Service at 4.1 out of 5 with over 83.4 thousand customer reviews. Grand Sabbath here. Okay, 11 minutes read. So we are going to read it. One of my favorite things to get paid for is my opinion. Many businesses care about their customer views and conduct frequent market research. Not only do you get to express your opinion and influence a whole variety of products, features, and big business decisions, but you can also get paid for it. Survey platforms are where the action is at. All you have to do is to create an account, answer some questions about yourself, and complete surveys. There are many online survey platforms these days, with branded surveys being one of the most popular ones. What is branded surveys? Branded surveys is the platform that pays you for completing online surveys and other tasks. The company starts out in 2012 as Mintwain and rebranded itself as Branded Surveys. In 2017, they are a marketing research company that pays you for your opinion through their user-friendly and easy-to-use website and a great number of surveys available. Is branded survey legit? Branded Surveys is a legitimate and reliable survey platform that has been around for quite some time now. Trustpilot has rated the company at 4.1 out of 5 with over 83,400 customer reviews. The common trend of positive reviews focuses on the numerous surveys options available. The common trend of negative reviews focus on being kicked out of the service or filling up too quickly, which I did run into at times during our review. But overall, I had a positive experience and confidence that you will as well. The how does branded survey work? Branded surveys pays you for completing surveys, as you have probably already guessed. This is their main feature, but they also offer other opportunities which can be redeemed for cash or gift cards. How to earn points on branded surveys? Online surveys. Surveys take about 5 to 20 minutes to complete and can earn up to 300 can earn you up to 300 points. Survey streak only available for gold and silver members. You can earn up to an additional 300 points by taking multiple surveys in a week. Daily polls earn 5 to 10 points by completing polls. They are very quick and super easy. Poll streak earn 25 to 100 points by taking one poll daily for 10 days in a row. Leaderboard bonuses, are you a competitive person? Then you will enjoy the leaderboard where you can track points earned by other survey takes, and the top 10 earn an extra 10 points. Then refer a friend. Available for silver and gold members only. Earn 50 to 100 points just by sending your friends and family a referral link. Branded Surveys mobile app, new for 2023. Branded launched their Branded Surveys mobile app on both the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. It functions almost identically to their desktop and mobile browser sites. Instead of checking emails, you can receive survey notification directly on your phone. If you are an Apple user, you can register and log in securely using your iCloud credentials. Branded Elite program. Branded also have badges that work like a loyalty program that you can earn more so that you can earn more points. There are three brand badge levels. Bronze, complete 2+ surveys within 1 month to get bronze page status. silver. To move from bronze to silver badge, you'll need to complete 10 plus surveys within 1 month. Gold. To move from silver to gold badge status, you will need to complete 25 plus surveys within 1 month. You can move up the levels by collecting credits. The credits are collected after completing surveys and other tasks. Getting badges will unlock extra features and the ability to earn more points. I think this was a great feature by my point for my points to add. It makes you feel rewarded beyond the points for doing more to bump up to silver or gold status. How much are branded survey points worth? By completing surveys, you collect points, which can later convert it into cash or gift card. 1 point is equal to 1 cent. So if you have 100 points, this will equal to $1. The minimum amount of points that can be redeemed is 500. Once you have enough points, you can get a free gift card from a number of restaurants and retailers. You can also withdraw cash through PayPal and bank transfer. How to cash out? 500 points on branded surveys translates to $5. It's the minimum amount of points you will need to be able to cash out. One survey can earn you up to 300 points, and you can expect to get 1 or 2 surveys daily. So it is not difficult to collect 500 points. You are given 3 payout options to redeem your branded survey: bank transfer, gift cards, and donations. Alright, so guys, see you soon in the next video. Till then, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for more updates. Bye bye, take care.